Jinhua Luchao Chemical Technology Company Limited is a professional manufacturer specializing in the R&D, production and sales of all kinds of adhesives, paints, color pastes, etc., with a history of 17 years. The company has 2 subsidiaries covering an area of 6,000 square meters, more than 10 sets of 4 types of glue filling machines, realizing 80% fully automatic glue filling. The daily production capacity reaches more than 1,000 tons, with more than 60 employees. Mainly develops and produces universal adhesive, welding adhesive, composite adhesive, casting adhesive, etc. We have a professional development team and a complete customization process to meet the needs of traders and exporters. We can provide OEM and ODM processing and customized private label processing for various customers.